If you are looking for a caffeine-free coffee alternative, this Teeccino dark chocolate coffee alternative is delicious. You can see on the packaging there are several ways to prepare it. I'm going to be using the French press method. I find that the consistency is very similar to coffee, and I brewed this up basically like coffee. And the aroma is really nice and rich. It is a chocolatey aroma, but it's not a sweet or overly chocolatey or syrupy smell or taste at all. And so once I have put this into my French press, gave it a stir, and brewed it according to the package directions, I go ahead and press this out and pour it into my cup. And as you can see, it looks a lot like coffee. The consistency is smooth. You can drink this sweetened or unsweetened, hot or cold, or with cream.